Hey guys, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you the best tips and tricks to perfect your Spanish and help you sound like a real native speaker. If you're new to the channel, come on in, get comfy. Here we talk about everything Spanish, conversation, grammar, vocabulary, culture, and so much more. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. In today's video, we're gonna tackle the one thing everybody wants to know when they're learning a new language: how to have a conversation. Maybe you're traveling to a Spanish-speaking country, or maybe you encounter a lot of Spanish speakers in your line of work. Whatever the reason, in this video, I'm going to give you some of the best, most fun, useful conversation starters in Spanish to break the ice or romper el hielo. I'm super excited, so without further ado, let's get right to the video. Vamos! So, conversation starters, or how I like to call them in Spanish, disparadores de conversación, are those little phrases or questions you can kind of always keep under your sleeve, under your sleeve, to use in conversation. In Spanish, we're very used to saying, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Which, don't get me wrong, can take you a very long way in a conversation, but sometimes it just doesn't cover all of it. So today I'm gonna be sharing some of my favorites and the ones that I use every day or when I'm meeting someone new. Vamos a empezar. Number 1. ¿A qué te dedicas? This is the Spanish equivalent to what do you do for a living? Except that the literal translation is nothing like that. And that's why I decided to add it. If you're someone who pays close attention to grammar, you may find yourself saying something like, ¿Qué haces para vivir? When translating, what do you do for a living? And that's just not the way we usually ask that question. ¿A qué te dedicas? Literal translation would be, what are you dedicated to? In Spanish, this is just much more common and will have you looking like a real pro speaker. Number 2. ¿Vienes seguido por aquí? Or ¿Vienes a menudo por aquí? These two mean, do you come here often? These are great for meeting someone for the first time at a bar or at the club, if you know what I mean. Number 3. On the subject of flirting, ¿Tienes novia or ¿Tienes novio? Are important questions to ask. These two mean, do you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Number 4. Hace tiempo no te veía. Long time no see, and to be followed immediately after with ¿Cómo has estado? How have you been? Number 5. ¿Cómo está tu familia? How's your family doing? Such a polite question to ask and very much appreciated in Latin American culture. ¿Cómo están tus padres? Or ¿Cómo están tus hermanos? Work as well. Number 6. On the other hand, if it's the first time you're meeting someone, you can try ¿Dónde creciste? Where did you grow up? Number 7. ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? What do you do in your free time? Number 8. If you have a friend in common, you can try ¿Cómo conoces a? And the name of your mutual friend. It means, how do you know them? Number 9. ¿Qué estudias? What do you study or what's your major? And ¿te gusta? Do you like it? ¿Cuáles son tus clases favoritas? What are your favorite classes? Number 10. If you're both into traveling or if you met during a trip, you can try ¿Te gusta viajar? Do you like to travel? ¿Cuál es tu lugar favorito que has visitado? What's your favorite place that you've visited? Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. As always, Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave all of your comments down below. Have you had the chance to engage in a conversation with a native Spanish speaker yet? What was that experience like? Is there anything you wish you knew beforehand? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. Make sure to check out OCTB's website. This is the link right here and you can click it in the description. In case you're new here, Overcome the Barrier OCTB is a language learning company that offers you personalized lessons and one-on-one conversations with native Spanish speakers so you can take your Spanish to the next level. You can submit to your first free demo lesson right now, and I hope I'll see you in my classes. Nos vemos. Mwah.